湯告魯斯將1986年嘅成名作電影拍攝成續集，橫掃多個地區票房冠軍。不過 Tom 依然冇放軟手腳，繼續宣傳之旅啊！最後一站飛到去韓國做宣傳啦。喺首爾舉行大型首映禮，無論係監製 Jerry Bruckheimer、一眾飾演年輕機師嘅演員 Miles Teller、Glenn Powell、Jade Ellis、Greg Tarson Davis 都大受影迷歡迎。因為疫情關係 ，Tom 有成4年都冇得見韓國嘅影迷，佢都好識做大派韓式心心同大灑冧功啊！
I am so happy to be here and to see you all. Thank you. Thank you for coming out and saying hello to me.
또 저를 만나뵈려고 이렇게 와주신 거 정말 감사드리고요. 제가 10번째 한국 방문입니다. Wow. So it's been a while since you came to Korea for the
4
red
years.
carpet.
Too long.
Yes. So how did you feel?
Oh my gosh. It was amazing. I don't want to say goodbye.
Please don't go.
I know, I don't want to. I can't wait, but I can tell you this. I'll come back next summer. And the summer after that, I will come back the summer after that with Mission Impossible.
Waiting here for a long time for the red carpet. And this is, were you aware that this is the first global red carpet event in Korea to be held after the COVID pandemic?
Yes!
Yes.
Yes!
Yeah. And it's entirely appropriate. Seoul is an international city. It's a global stage, and for us to be able to be here and celebrate not only our film but the Korean fans and what they contribute to cinema, it's amazing. So we love being here. It's a high honor for us.
續集電影中 ，Tom 可以話老而彌堅。今年年屆59嘅佢，赤膊上陣同班後生仔騷機打沙灘欖球，而為求拍出真實感，身兼電影監製嘅佢堅持要所有演員坐上飛行嘅戰機上面拍攝，感受真實嘅空中重力，並由演員親自控制攝影機拍低自己嘅表情。事前Tom 特別安排所有戰機師演員接受由佢親自設計嘅特訓，唔止團隊，連觀眾都俾 Tom 嘅拼搏精神感動到啊！
But we filmed it in a way that so that all the actors learned how to be in those airplanes, and they trained very, very hard. I've been a pilot for over 30 years, and one of the things that I wanted audiences to feel how aggressive it is to be in the aircraft. And so we work very hard, and I just want to thank you for allowing me to entertain you. It is my lifelong dream to be able to do this. I have to quote one of my own films.
제 영화 대사 한번 인용해
That
보겠습니다.
you complete me.
여러분이 저를 완성시켜 드립니다.
All of you. I love you.
여러분이 저를 완성시켜 주고요. 사랑합니다. 여러분 모두 다 사랑합니다.
大會特別送咗樣好特別嘅禮物俾電影團隊，就係呢件有韓國傳統皇室圖案嘅飛行員外套。見到呢件外套，Tom 即時都話相當欣賞，話要好好珍藏。而首映禮仲邀請到韓裔美籍嘅AleXa演出助慶。啱啱勝出全美歌唱大賽嘅佢，果然唱功了得啊！翻唱由 Lady Gaga 主唱嘅電影歌曲時，一啲都唔輸蝕啊！
Everything you're blind to now, your prayers will be